Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Visual Studio Code IDE for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Visual Studio Code IDE for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for VS Code Desktop. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download the Visual Studio Code IDE, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download Visual Studio Code on this website, it's so simple, you just need to click the download button depending on the device you are using. In my case, I am using Windows, so this is what I will select. And after that, the downloading process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now start the installation setup. Right here, you just need to agree to their terms and service policy. And after that, your system will show you the location where your Visual Studio installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse, but if you are already fine with the location, just click Next to proceed. And after that, you'll see a screen labeled Select Additional Tasks. This screen lets you choose a few optional settings that can make you use Visual Studio Code easier. For this, I actually recommend you to check all of them, since this will be extremely helpful to you to use the IDE more conveniently and easier. And once you're done checking, click Next. And then you can now click Install to start the app installation. And after that, your Visual Studio Code will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your VS Code, so you can now use it to start coding or create programming projects. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.